Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to delete your Facebook page, first thing is just simply select the menu icon on the top right corner of the screen. And if you are using an Apple, the menu will be at the bottom. And moving forward, it will be just the same process. Just simply select this icon over here, the arrow pointing downward, and you should be able to see all of your pages. So just simply select your page that you want to delete. And after that, just simply select the menu icon again on the top right. And after that, you could just simply go for the gear icon on the top right again. From here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see access and control. And from here, you should have three options. For our case, I want to delete it and tap on the delete page and tap on continue. From here, Facebook will ask you why do you want to delete it, and you can just simply select continue. And from here, this Facebook page will ask you that if you want to download your post, your data about your page before the deletion, and just simply select continue if you don't want to save any information about your page. But if you do, you could just simply download it from there, and from here just simply provide your Facebook password and tap on continue. And from here it will give you a warning that after 30 days, your Facebook page will be automatically deleted, but you have a 30-day window in order for you to reactivate it. And after that, you can just simply select delete page if you want to proceed with this process. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.